Minus 29 Celsius would be, convert. That would be about minus 20 Fahrenheit. Not too far off, but it's darn cold. I can hear chickens, that's a good sign. No hurt or dead chickens. Well, holy crap. Like, I literally mean everywhere. I don't know if you can all see this or not. Canada's really belting us about now. In the last few days, we've gotten like a meter of snow, or like 3 feet. Snow is everywhere, but them horses are there, that's good. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna check out to see how the chickens survived. You probably can't see a thing, can you? But let me get these lights on, if I can find them. It's pretty dark in here. Let's see, where's the wall? There's the wall. So yeah, we've been going like crazy at this barn here, trying to get things done. I would have probably filmed some of this stuff, but it's kind of hard when your hands are full. You got shovels in your hands and buckets of water in your hand. And it's just crazy, crazy stuff. I'm gonna go out here and check on our chickens. So it was like, let me get some of this open if I can. Knock some snow out. There we go, that's all we need. So yeah, it's darn cold. I can hear chickens, that's a good sign. Did they freeze? They've got no heat in here, no supplementary heat. I just got them out of the cold. Ugh. This door's even snowed in. I just got them out of the cold and chickens. How are you girls? How are you girls on this cold morning? They want some scratch. Hi ladies. What are you ladies up to? Pretty cold in here? How you faring out? You want the snow on my boots? Some of them chickens, they like snow on my boots. They like eating them. You need something to have a little scratch here? Get something in here to eat? Here, I'll just pour it right on top of that. You go ahead, ladies. Well, there's little Fred. You're always in there, little Fred, aren't you? Oh, no, sorry, that's little Fred, because she's smaller than this one. They're both Asia Blues, but that one's looking a little rough this morning. There's Cody. Cody, the Rudd's Blue. How you doing, Cody? Well, that's good. Good morning to you, and wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Hey, yeah, you. The one not subscribed. You watch 3 of my videos in a row, and try not to join the chaos. I dare you. There's little Lucky. There's some water's not frozen. I've actually got this water plugged in. It's a heated bucket. It looks a little dirty. Could use a little more. Something else I gotta do. We're gonna pour this right on top of this. Here, have some of this scratch. Warm yourselves up. Now that I'm in here right now, I'm just gonna check quickly for some eggs. Yes, Cody, we're up. We're up, buddy. All right? We can pretend to be up. I don't know if there's any eggs in here. No, nobody's laying eggs yet. It's too cold to lay eggs. Any eggs in here? Nope. I got their lights on a timer. So I just watched the timer turn on as I was coming through the barn. So they're just waking up. You ladies just waking up? What are you doing? Hey, can I be a chicken today and just hang around with you girls? That ought to be fun, eh? But as you can see, with like minus 29 degree weather, they're still pretty lively. They're jumping around. I have no supplementary heat lamps in here or nothing. What are you doing there, Lucky? I think we're up. Cody. Thank you. No hurt or dead chickens. Boy, your comb looks pretty nice and bright, eh? Are you a healthy little bird? Which is pretty surprising this weather. It's nasty. What can I say? It's nothing short of nasty. It's weather I don't want to be out in. Unfortunately, with work, I'll be out in it all day, getting things done for people. All right, well, I'm gonna take off. I gotta go to work. You ladies, you be nice to little Fred. Right, little Fred? You be nice, little Fred. Boy, for a little bird, she's like half the size of this one. For a little bird, she's a bossy little thing, and she loves her scratch. Okay, chickens are good. That's all I need to know. Oh, I gotta open this door more because I can barely squeeze through with all the snow and ice here. Oh, I'll see you guys later. You stay warm. Although that's hard because it is freezing out here. It's freezing out here. So yeah, look at all this snow. Isn't this lovely? I spent yesterday trying to get a path out to the chickens. We had like 3 feet of snow here, a meter of snow. And damn, I'm about sick of winter by now. I know I'm sick of winter. I'm really sick of winter. Let's walk up here, see how these girls are. Check their trough. It's still gettable. Hi, Teddy. Hi, Paulo. But yeah, it's burr is what it is. It's burr. I'm gonna shut this door again, keep this window, oh, if I can. I do this to knock some of the snow away from the bottom of the door so I can actually move it. Farmer's work is never done. So yeah, all the other ones are outside. They're good. They got hay, they got water. Their troughs are all heated. So they're good to go for the day. I'll have to check on them a bit later. Till now, it's all good. Now it's off to work. We're gonna continue this little episode later. So we'll come back here. I think there's a few things I'm gonna need to do. So then there's that. Keep watching. And it's off to work I go. Hi ho, hi ho.